Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 3B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are the company which we provide all type of solutions within a day. If you are pursuing any degree, if you are pursuing any exam, competition exam, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and tell us all of your queries of your problems. So we provide all type of solutions of your studies, and you have to just send the PDF of any type of questions, and we will provide all type of solution within a day. Then now question number 3B is here, which is in a single ended input configuration of a differential amplifier. The input voltage is 5 MV if the collector resistors RC1 equal to RC2 equal to 51 kilo ohm, ammeter resistor R equal to 47 kilo ohm, and supply voltage is 10 volt. Calculate the differential gain and output voltage of the circuit. So if you need answers of all the questions, so you can contact us and we provide all type of solutions within a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.